What's going on, guys? It's Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to add music to your videos in Premiere Pro. In this video, you'll learn about finding free music and editing the music to sound exactly how it needs to for your videos.
That's good.
Alright guys, so we are going to talk about finding free music in your videos. Are you ready? I got my bunny ears that disappear saying that they're ready. Okay, so let's go. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to YouTube. So we go to youtube.com and we're going to search up the YouTube audio library, okay? It's filled with copyright-free songs and royalty-free songs. So let's go to YouTube audio library. Okay, so once we're here, you'll notice that there's a big channel with 3.4 million subscribers. So we're going to click in there and we're going to see that they have top 50 best free songs of 2019. We can go to videos, but what we really want is playlists. Under playlists, you can see the popular ones assorted by mood. See this funky, bright, happy, inspirational, and there's hundreds of songs in here. So I would highly recommend picking a song in here. So let's go ahead and let's do this first one here. I'm going to do funky, okay? Alright, so if this is the song that you want, you can download it using the link that I put down in the description for a YouTube to MP3 downloader. Just use that, paste the URL in. But if you do end up using the song in your videos, you want to make sure you follow the attribution rules, which is right here. Okay, so it says you're free to use this track if you're not a brand or you're not working with one, and you must include the following credits in your video description. So you copy and paste this. Just this part inside the lines. So, but it's okay. Like it says, like if you're not a brand or you're not working with one, like that's like, you know, working with big time brands that care about, you know, you tarnishing their look and feel of their brand. So if you're just like creating your own brand or you have your own small business, it's totally fine. Now I will recommend you can go to audioblocks.com. I'm not affiliated with them, but you can go there and you can purchase songs from them so you can get full legal rights to the songs as well. You can actually own them. But for this is just kind of testing out free songs, just for those of you that just are putting out videos here and there and you don't really have a full-scale business yet. Okay, so next we're going to talk about how to add music to your videos in Premiere Pro. So let's go ahead and switch to Premiere Pro, and let me switch my camera. Okay, cool. So we're back in Premiere. Let me go to my project panel, which is over here, okay? So I already have music. Remember, it's the music that's fit for Jen's brand. So we're gonna use that, but for you guys that are just downloading music, go ahead and import it in, put it inside of the music bin, and make it look like this, okay? Make it organized like this. You can also download a bunch of other songs and you can add a bunch of music in that folder so that you can drag and drop different ones to see how they sound with your interview. It's up to you. You don't have to use this exact brand song. You guys can use whichever one you want when you're making this. But this one is, you know, it's her song, so I figured I'll use it. But if you guys find a song that's better, go ahead and use that one. I'm gonna leave the creative freedom up to you guys. Okay, so now let's edit some music in Premiere. So let's drag this audio file, this music file, and put it on the second audio track. Okay, you can see that it's pretty consistent here. I'm gonna mute her interview, and I'm just gonna listen to the music. Okay, so let's hear it. All right. So I don't think we want that. Okay, so I want to start it here. I was watching the waveforms based on how I think it's going to sound, so I'm going to cut all this out just by dragging on top of it, and then let's listen to it from the beginning again. Okay, so after listening to it a couple times, I want to cut this part because there's these repeat, okay, before the drop. And the drop is right over here, so I'm going to drag this in, and I want the drop to happen during the first question. Okay, so the music is kind of loud, so I'm going to bring up the interview and you can notice that it's just going to drown her out. Ready?
Okay, so I'm Jen Swift.
Yeah, so we can't hear anything. So I'm going to take the audio here. We are going to adjust the audio by, let's do -20. That's a good rule of thumb for like background music. So if you don't have this option here, this track volume, you can also set this to 0, and then you can press G on the audio track, and then you can set this to -20. Hit enter.
Okay, so I'm Jen Sui. I'm the founder and owner of Jen Sui Health. It is a health and wellness company helping women create sustainable self-care routines. I personally struggled.
Okay, so I think that sounds good. Let's go ahead and fade the intro of the song so it doesn't just start so abrupt. So I'm going to do Control or Command Shift D, and then that's going to put a little fade on the music.
Okay, so I'm Jen Sui. I'm the founder and owner of Jen Sui Health. It is a health and wellness company helping
It's a little, it's dropping some frames here, but that's
women
okay.
create sustainable self-care routines.
That's just because of the motion graphic.
I personally struggled for many years with depression and
Okay, so I hope that makes sense. We lowered the volume, we trimmed the music a little bit to our liking, and then we also added a fade transition on there. So yeah, I hope everything that we've gone over makes sense. You know how to find music. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Later. Hey guys, so this tutorial is from a full course on Adobe Premiere Pro. Go to ParEdits.com/Premiere Pro or click the link in the description down below.